Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I've worked on the IS300. So today we're going to do a quick 10-minute project. I'm going to go ahead and install this right here onto my floor mat right under my pedals. So if you don't know what this is, it's just a little plate that kind of matches the sport pedals already on the IS300. So in today's video, we'll go ahead and install this on the floor mat. So stay tuned. So I picked this up on Amazon, but you could get different styles of this. They've got various styles with like the slits or the various different dots. I got this one because it matches the pedals more, and all it does is attaches with these little screw things right here. So you basically just mark these holes, drill the holes into your floor mat, and then just screw these things down, and it pretty much tightens it up. Before we start, we'll go ahead and just get this thing into here, put it on your mat, especially where it wears out. So my IS300 right here is basically where your heels are. It wears out over time, so you basically just gotta find the sweet spot, kind of measure it, mark it if you can, so when you take it out you could just drill the holes and have it. So right there, I'm gonna keep it like that, which is perfect because I might move it over here more, because really your heel stays on the brake and the clutch. So what I want to do first is drill one hole, get that thing in there, make sure everything's lined up, do the opposite caddy corner hole, get that thing lined up, and then finish the other two. Alright, that was pretty easy to drill it in. Once you get it on the back side, you see it goes right through there. That area of this rubber is pretty solid, so it's not that soft, but once you get it in there, it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum all the dust and everything up first before I put that mat on, and we'll peel that blue film off and then just get it bolted down. Alright, we got that thing vacuumed up. So we'll go ahead and take this thing out, kind of do the satisfying peeling of this baby, and go ahead and get it in. Quick little 5-minute upgrade to improve the look of your floor mat right here and kind of get rid of that wear spot. So that looks good right there. If you guys need the same one or similar one, check out the links down in the description to Amazon. These things are about 20 bucks or less, and it looks like a huge improvement just aesthetically once you open the doors. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this quick video on upgrading my floor mat on the IS300. As you can see, quick and easy install. If you guys found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel to stay on top of all my different modification videos, whether I'm working on the IS300, the GX, the Sienna, the IS250, the Avalon, or whatever car I'm working on or project I'm working on around the house. Go ahead and join me for those. For all these different projects, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I want to thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.